Good day, madam and my fellow friends. I hope you are doing good. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Visali, daughter of Ganesan, following by matric number 01DKB19F1010. I am from Commerce Department. For those who don't recognize me, I am a finance and banking student from Unku Amma Polytechnic. As everyone aware of this global pandemic situation, most of the students are studying through online classes. Since this is an online presentation, I would like to apologize in advance if there is any flaws throughout my presentation. My presentation is based on graphs and charts. The topic chosen by myself is Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure from 2008 to 2020. Tourism is one of the largest industry in Malaysia, contributing 5.9% to its gross domestic product, which is known as GDP, and employing close to a quarter of total workforce in Malaysia. Tourism industry in Malaysia is getting developed and becoming one of the world's most attractive travelling destination, as well as economic and social development has also become important. Tourism industry among the most affected sector in Malaysia, indicating direct and indirect economic consequences and damages associated with COVID-19. COVID-19 has hugely and adversely impacted Malaysia's tourism industry as tourists are cancelling their bookings and delaying their plans to travel around Malaysia due to worry about this virus. In addition, the number of tourists has declined due to Malaysia government imposing travelling restrictions. The table shows the domestic tourism expenditure from 2008 to 2020. Now, I would like to present about introduction. The bar graph shows the Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure from 2008 to 2020. The vertical axis represents the currency, which is in RM billion, while the horizontal axis represents the year. The year consists from 2008 to 2020. Now, let's analyze the graph. Based on the graph chosen, it can be seen that the highest Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure is at RM3.2 billion in 2019, while the lowest Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure is at RM21.1 billion in 2008. Moreover, the Malaysia domestic tourism expenditure increased slightly at RM26 billion in 2009. In addition, there was a marginal rise in the Malaysia domestic tourism expenditure from RM34.7 billion in 2010 to RM42.3 billion in 2011. Furthermore, the Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure rise significantly from RM47.8 billion in 2012 to RM54 billion in 2013. Next, there was a slight increase by RM6.2 billion in 2014. The domestic tourism expenditure is at RM67.8 billion in 2015. However, in 2016, the Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure increased by RM7 billion. Next, the Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure increased considerably from RM83.1 billion in 2017 to 92.6 billion in 2018. Meanwhile, Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure reached a peak at RM 103.2 billion in 2019. Last but not least, there was a dramatic decrease in Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure from RM 103.2 billion in 2019 to RM 40.4 billion in 2020. Based on the analysis, it can be concluded in 2020, domestic tourism in Malaysia experienced a significant drop in the tourism expenditure due to the COVID-19 lockdown. Therefore, I would like to suggest some ways to recover Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure as well. My first suggestion is restoring travelers' confidence. As everyone knows, the government have lifted the restriction of interstate. This might encourage the local people to travel interstate with their families, such as going for a vacation. When it comes to traveling, we should always ensure that our safety is our priority, and also we must obey the standard operation procedures that issued by the government. It was discovered that it might take measures that can be seen, calculated and proved to restore travelers' confidence, such as wearing masks, able to measure 1 or 2 meters of social distance, always sanitize and wash your hands. By traveling interstate, it can also increase Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure as well. My second suggestion is promotion, freebies and complimentary services. Accommodation is one of the components from Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure. When there are promotion, freebies and complimentary services, it will encourage the tourists to travel from one place to another place. This is also will increase Malaysia's domestic tourism expenditure in coming years. It comes to the end of the presentation. That's all from myself. Thank you for lending me your ears. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.